Hello everyone, welcome to Cynthia Montana channel. So now we're gonna see how to stake, right, the coin and what kind of coin that we can stake. First, we're gonna go to the more here, and next one we're gonna find this one at earn staking right here. So we have two kinds of staking. First of all, the lock staking and the device staking, right? First, we're gonna stick here available on. So here we are, this is the available on right now. We're gonna see basically I'm staking Easy Infinity, my favorite. Wow, the annualized interest rate 115.25%. So much, right? And the next one is I'm going to wait a minute. Cake, of course, Cake. The annualized interest really big here, 31.25%. Next one is, of course, Binance Coin, BNB, right? But you have to see first, right? If you just for information, if you stake on 30 days, we're gonna go to the stake now. It should be a minimum 0.1 Binance Coin right here. So it has a minimum and a maximum. We're gonna go here, go again. Shiba Inu, of course, the minimum lock is at 1,000. Here there is a 30 days, but not so much. In annualized is only at 3.67, 4.1 and 5.25. Not so much, right? But it's okay, still good, right? For a long term, it's still good, right? Solana really good. I stick on Solana when the price is at the $30, and currently prices is already at $200, right? Or $210. Staking on 90 days, basically. Next one is also I'm staking on Sand, of course. Sand. I bought the Sand still really cheap, I guess. It's already like 3 or 4 months ago. Minimum lock is only at 1 cent. And then the next one is we're gonna go Atom. Atom, I really love it. Also, it's staking already really, really long. Having a 9.47%, 60 days 10%, wow, 90 days 12%. Really good. Really good on here. And then dot, also love in dot here. Fee chain, but for the fee chain, get not the FET, get the FETAR here. So when we stake the FET, we don't get FET coin, but we get a FETAR, right? And then we have the other one, first inch, of course. I have first inch here. ADA, Cardano, right? Cardano, yes. I'm using basically on the 60 days or 90 days for the Cardano. And then we have OGN also. My subscribers say that OGN is a really good project. Then I tried some of it in the OGN. Of course, Matic, I really love it. And the annualized interest so big, right? 11%. I already stick it like at 60 days, I guess. And then we have the other one. Again, it's so much, right? Here we are. We're gonna go if the other one again are not here. Let's see the other one. Okay, no more. It's totally already off. So much, right? So I mean, like if you want to lock staking, then you can lock staking in here. Or if you the device, but you have to see in here risk warning. Binance strives to offer its user only the best DeFi mining project. However, Binance only acts as a platform to showcase project and provide users with related services such as accessing funds on behalf of the user and distributing earnings. Binance does not assume liability for any losses incurred due to project on-chain contract security issues. So they give it so much in here, annualized interest more than like the lock staking, right? And this is flexible. Basically, I'm using also in here. Wait a minute, it's a little bit error. Oh my god. I'm using this swipe for this one. I think it's all done, right? Yes, only that one. On the swipe and Binance BNB, right? Thank you everyone for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.